Hello, I hope all is well with you all. And today I want to discuss Bank of America's first time home buyer, zero down for minorities. Minorities are not the only ones who can qualify for this program, but essentially, Bank of America is offering assistance to first time home buyers, specifically in neighborhoods they choose, which would be located in Charlotte, Dallas, Detroit, Miami, Los Angeles. Um, they're claiming not to require mortgage insurance. The conventional percentage down would be 20%, FHA 3.5%. So, and this is according towards my source, the Frugal Creditnista. So please go over and check out her page and her resources. She is very helpful. But here's the thing about this zero down for minorities. We, with Bank of America, we are aware that Bank of America have had a lot of complaints, right? And you can always go into your Google search and you can type in complaints because nobody is without a complaint, right? There's always somebody who's willing to make a complaint on you, me, or any of our neighboring friends. And the top complaints against Bank of America is excessive fees. You know, their customers complain of Bank of America having excessive overdraft fees on accounts, and that would be the reason they would close the account, right? Fraudulent charges. So, Bank of America, another one of their complaints is fraudulent charges. So, a lot of their customers is claiming that there's a lot of charges, false charges on their accounts. And there's a lot of confusing and misleading credit terms. Now, the thing is, for the little people are easily to be captured and tossed away into jail because most of the times you do not have the money to pay for a lawyer. Even if you do not have money to pay for a lawyer, it is great to have people on your side who can contact legal aid. Legal aid is an organization. I'm not sure if it's profit or nonprofit, but they do assist in assisting those of lower income status, and they're located throughout the world. I believe just in America, but I'm not exactly sure. You can Google that in your search bar, legal aid. Also, it does not hurt to check the BBB's page in your state, in your county, in your city to see who has better ratings of doing business. And those are not the only great companies. You also want to talk to people through word of mouth, right? That could be one of the greatest advertisement for anything is word of mouth. So we need to do our due diligence when dealing with people with these businesses and entrusting them with our information, whether it's personal, financial, and we need to ask the hard questions. We need to see what's going on around us, and we really need to look deeply into the situation. Um, Personally, me myself, I see myself in a big house located in either Georgia, Vegas, Texas, but preferably someplace warm, a low crime area, very clean, very friendly. I like walking by saying hi to people. I like mingling with people of all different races, background, culture, tasting different food, seeing how everybody live and learning new ways to live and to grow and come up with new ideas, because right now we are being priced out of everything. And the majority of the people in the United States of America, no matter how much everyone talk about, they want you to make 60,000 or more. The majority of people here are poor. They are poor. Even if they work, they are considered the working poor. The majority of our money goes to Social Security income and Social Security disability. So the majority of the people can't work. And that's possibly because they are the baby boomers. But even a lot of the baby boomers do more working and have more sense than a lot of the younger generation that's working right now. Right? But that'll be on another conversation. So have your ears perked up for that. But right now, when dealing with these banks, when considering a home loan, consider these things first. And I want you to really consider it. Consider how much money can you afford to put down. Look up and see how much does it cost for drywalling, or is that something you can do yourself? How much does it cost for painting, or is that something you can do yourself? How much does it cost to stain the cabinets or laminate your countertops? Because these are all cosmetic things, but you want the bones to be strong. What about the roof? Is there water coming into your roof? What about the foundation? Is there cracks? Is there unleveling? You know, did they hurry up and slap on this cosmetic job to make the aesthetics look good, but beneath it there's mold, beneath it there's rodents, beneath it is crumbling to pieces. But no one will tell you, even if you have a home inspection, you will still be sold a home that you will have to fork a lot of money into, that will make you sick to your stomach. Go into the poorest neighborhoods in your county, the so-called, the ones that's considered real dangerous, and take a drive and see how they keep up their houses. Because no matter how hard you work, surely you can end up like that. Dilapidated homes, no water, no electricity, not able to perform any of these duties yourself or having the money to pay for it. We should be ashamed for allowing our lives to get out of control like they have. We should be ashamed of pretending that we have all this money that we don't have, because we know we don't have no money. We know we don't have no money. And even with all the money in the world, what has it stopped? I'm not saying money isn't important to live this life here that we chose to be a part of this system. We implemented it, right? We implemented the education system. We implemented the grocery system. You see what I mean? We implementing the farm. There was a time when you could go to a farmer's farm and buy their produce off of them, not the store, right? So over the years, things have come to be of somewhat of a different place, space, and time. And different things is good, can be good. But how good is if the majority of people are robbing those who go to work every day? Or if the majority is crying every day, or homeless, or in a flood zone, right? We must look deeper into everything. Seek, ye shall find, right? We want to make the best decisions for us, and we want to demand. We want to have expectations for our money. Why